Hello, I'm Dr. James Hildreth, President of Meharry Medical College and an expert in infectious diseases. I'd like to talk to you about the exciting news about the vaccines for COVID-19. The vaccines are likely to be approved by the end of the month in December and are going to be widely available by next spring. I know a lot of you have apprehensions about the vaccine, so I'd like to make a few points that might assuage your fears and give you more confidence to accept the vaccines. The two vaccines that we're so excited about right now are called messenger RNA vaccines. So the blueprints for all of our proteins in our bodies are locked in the genes in DNA. But in order to make proteins, a working copy of those blueprints have to be made, and those are what mRNA represents. They're the working blueprints for making proteins. And in this case, it's a blueprint for the viral protein called spike. Spike is the protein from COVID-19 virus that allows the virus to get into our cells. And this vaccine induces antibodies to be produced, which bind to that protein and keep the virus from infecting our cells. One very important thing that I need everyone to know is that when you get the vaccine, you're not getting infected by a virus. You're getting exposed to a protein from the virus. So your immune system is making a response to the spike protein, and therefore it's going to prevent the virus from infecting cells and spreading. So you're not getting infected, you're getting exposed to a virus protein to teach your immune system to respond to the virus if you do get exposed to it. So that's a very important distinction to keep in mind. I know many of you have concerns about the side effects of the vaccine. What we've seen so far is what you'd expect from vaccines. They're the same side effects that we see with other kinds of vaccines. There's going to be soreness at the site of injection that might last 12 hours to a day. Some people get headaches, some people get a fever, just like, in fact, if you've gotten infected and there are mild symptoms from the infection. But you're not getting infected, you're getting a protein from the virus. That's the main difference. It's going to take some time, honestly, before we know the long-term adverse events from the vaccine. But as I said earlier, the mRNA technology is new to vaccines, but it's not new to medicine, having been used since 1992 in the treatment of cancers. So as far as we know, the vaccines are extremely safe. They work across all age groups that have been tested down to the age of 12 years old. They work in people with pre-existing conditions, and they appear to work very well across all racial groups. So the bottom line is that we need these vaccines so that all of us can get back to a new normal, social interactions, shopping without fear, gathering in large groups. None of those things can be done unless all of us or most of us accept the vaccine. So I just want to let you know that the technology is new to vaccines, but it's not new to medicine. The vaccines have proven to be very safe, and we can say that with a lot of confidence because 44,000 people have participated in the studies of these vaccines. So I encourage all of you to do your part to put this behind us and really think seriously about accepting the vaccine for COVID-19. For those of you that like more information about the vaccine, please go to the covid19.nashville.gov website, or you can always go to the CDC website for more information about the vaccine and getting vaccinated. Thank you.